Boom! Hello guys, Rambi back to another video, and today I wanted to show you how to make your phone bigger. Have you ever wanted a bigger screen because with your chubby finger you can select anything? Well guys, also this time I got a solution. So look, all you need is a phone, your leg and the knowing to jump. Why do I need my knowing to jump or make my phone bigger? So look, take your phone, a deep breath, and 3, 2, 1. It wasn't difficult, right? Okay guys, obviously you can't make your phone bigger, but there is a way to make it seem bigger. So you just have to switch DPI. That is not difficult. I'd also like to say that this works just on rooted devices, so if you want a video that explains how to do it in a normal devices, let me know in the comments below. Okay, here we have 640 DPI, so you can see the lock screen is like this. Here maybe also the browser, well, Amazon. Here I will show you. This is the default page, okay? So the first thing that you have to do is to go on the Play Store and download this app, Terminal, this one. Once that you download it, you have to open it, type SU, and now WM space density. Here the number of density that you want. I will start with 600 to end like this, reboot. Okay. Okay. Now this one is 600 DPI, so look how it is. And I'm going to Amazon. That it doesn't work for okay. So as you can see, the interface is smaller than before. I'm going to switch DPI to 560 maybe. Okay, then so VWM space density 560 and end and reboot. Okay. Okay, now we have the 560 DPI. So I'll show you also Amazon as before. For the last time I wanted to switch to 500 because I use this DPI, and I will show you how is it the home screen and whatever. Okay, SU WM density 500 and reboot. Oops. Okay guys, this is how it looks like with 500. So I like this because, you know, you can put more stuff, and I will show you also internet. Okay, Amazon. Okay, as you can see, in my opinion, this is better because you can do more stuff and whatever. And nothing, that's all. Let me know in the comments if you want a video that show you how to do also with normal devices and not rooted devices. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like, and see you at the next video, guys. Bye bye.